truths and lies about why we buy. This is your Buyology.
Here's a fact which may surprise you. In fact, 15% of everything we do every day is taking place in our conscious mind. That means that 85% of everything we do is happening in our unconscious mind. Everything from when we buy stuff, buy brands, and just make decisions is actually happening in the part of our brain where we're not even aware of it ourselves. Now, these findings are coming from probably the largest and most sophisticated research study in the world. The Buyology study is conducted in 5 countries. It's taken us 3 years to conduct this study, and we've explored the minds of 2,000 consumers across the world. The findings are absolutely amazing. In fact, we learned that everything the consumers say and everything they think is actually in total conflict. Now just think about the warning disclaimers. You remember the warning disclaimers on cigarette packs? Was it telling us not to smoke? Should they work? Well, we think they're working, but in fact what we learned is that the actual opposite is taking place. The more we read them, the more we actually smoke. And this is just one evidence out of many which is showing that every day, every second, we're affected by stuff which are affecting us in a totally different way than what we're aware of. In fact, this particular finding coming out of the Buyology study is going to change the entire way the tobacco companies around the world are allowed to advertise. Here's another amazing discovery from the Buyology research program. We've learned that there is a strong similarity between religion and branding. As frightening as it sounds, we actually discovered that if you're exposed for a brand like Guinness beer, or what about Apple, or what about Harley Davidson, in fact exactly the same regions in your brains are activated there if you're exposed to, for example, the faith of Christianity. The fact is that in the future, brands will start to learn from the world of religion. You will be amazed to learn about how everything we thought was the truth is actually the total opposite.